welcome back to yet another Dollar Tree makeup tutorial and look. Today we're testing out the brand new collection from Ioni. It's called La Dolce Vita and it is so pretty, and there's a lot of products that I was excited to try, and this is the look that we came up with, and I really like the way that it came out. There's so much to talk about. We have a lot of tea to spill on this collection, okay? And it's crazy because they just keep coming out with new collections, and as long as they do, I will keep reviewing them for you guys because I love testing out Dollar Tree makeup. You guys know it's like one of my passions, and I just love creating makeup looks using things I got from Dollar Tree and showing you guys and everyone that you do not need to spend a lot of money to get a super glam look. Like, this looks like it could possibly, hopefully, be like Sephora makeup. I am very proud of that fact, and that's why I make this content. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and without further ado, let's do this makeup. Last time I filmed, my pink trash bag was in the hallway, but at least it was a pretty color. So I was like, let me make sure the hallway looks presentable. I also put a candle in my candlestick from Dollar Tree, so hopefully this background isn't too bad. I did a review on the Cherry on Top collection, and then immediately after that Ioni said we're coming out with another collection, and this one is so pretty. It is like a summer collection called La Dolce Vita, and it's all like lemon themed, and they nail their packaging every single time. Like, how freaking cute is this? The theme, I love it. It is so pretty. I am so grateful that Ioni Cosmetics is at Dollar Tree because it gives us so much fun stuff to play with. Like, what would we do without Ioni? I feel like it would not be as fun. So thank you, Ioni, for being awesome. And they come out with fun stuff. I'm just putting on an eyeshadow primer. This is the one from Shop Miss A, and I believe this is $1. I don't know what the prices are on Miss A anymore because I haven't been on that website in forever. I have to actually check that out. But there's only one eyeshadow in this collection, so I'm gonna have to do what I did last time and pull in another palette, and I think I just want to use my fortune teller palette again because I love it so much, and also I got it at Dollar Tree. So many colors to pull from in that palette, whereas with the other palettes from Dollar Tree there's like 4 colors, and it's really hard to like pull from that one. The eyeshadow is called the Light Shifting Eyeshadow, and there's 2. There's a blue one, and then this one is a pink and olive shift. Ioni actually does a really good job on like their liquid eyeshadows. So I saw this and I was like, oh my god, that is so cool. So it's a duochrome liquid that changes color in the light, creating a multi-dimensional look with just one swipe. First, this orangey shade. I think I used this in my last video. And it's so pretty. I feel like it's gonna look really cool with that shifting shadow. But this is just to get us started as like a base. All of these palettes, there's like a clown one, there's another one. I really hope I can find that one as well. Nicely, these shadows blend out. Like, they're just so easy to use. This is so pretty. Excuse me, that is so cool. Okay, let's see. I want to put it in like the center first. Stop it right now. Okay, imagine this over like white. Wait, that is so cool. I feel like it needs a base because it's quite sheer. So I'm thinking of putting white on my lid. And this is gonna be our base. So just slap that all over the lid. Again, does not have to be perfect, but I'm going like halfway here. I need to eat more like whole foods and be like super healthy. And it's so weird, like even like tracking my macros. So last night I made a Ninja Creamy, and I think maybe it was the Fairlife milk. I was so bloated after, and I'm like, you know what? This isn't fair. Like, I'm out here eating so healthy, and I have that Fairlife protein thing, and I'm so bloated, yet I could eat a burrito from Moe's and not be bloated. Like, make it make sense. Does that happen to anyone else? Like, I don't understand the logic behind that. Like, why is that? Like, when I try hard, it's like, I don't know, nothing happens. But when I like do my own thing, I don't know. It's so bizarre. I can't. My face is on. Let's go back in with this shadow and see if it's any brighter. Hopefully this helps. I don't really know what look we're going for. I'm just kind of working with this color and I'm gonna just try and build from there. Okay, it is really pretty, but it's so sheer, you guys. Let's see if I just put this in the center and then maybe I'll put something else on the front part, because like it's really pretty, but it's just not that pigmented. But this does remind me of, like, isn't there a Danessa Myricks product that is similar to this? Well, we know that Be Pure came out with those color shifting shadows, which I tried, and maybe that was like 3 videos ago, and they were so disappointing because they were so sheer. So liquid shadow in the inner part. You guys remember this from, this is from the Zodiac collection, and I loved this shadow. I use this one all the time. This matte purple, thinking maybe that might be fun. Not right. Oh my gosh, that is so pigmented. Dang. I continue to be so impressed by this palette every time I use it, and I'm glad I'm getting some good use out of it. It's giving summer. Like, I'm obsessed with that song from Zara Larsson, Midnight Sun, and this palette is like that song to me. And I'm just loving all the fun colors. Like, this purple is so pretty with the orange. Gosh, this is so pretty. Oh yeah, with the purple. And now I'm gonna go in with my Lift and Lock mascara from LA Colors before we do lashes, just to kind of build up a little base. And I've been talking about this mascara in all my videos, telling you guys how I really like it, and it has some pretty decent volume. More of a drier formula, which, I mean, I guess that could be a good thing. A little more like thick with 2 C's. Drops, which I'm so excited about. So this is called Luminoso, and it's called Gold Radiance, and it says you could put them with a lotion. You can probably just put this all over your body. Let me see how this looks, because I don't know if I should put this on my face or what. And they also have bronzing drops. This might be cool to put on the face. Saw these, I was so excited. So key. You know what these reminded me of when I saw them? The Lumi Glotions. And I was like, wait, that is such a good dupe if it is one. Just doing like a little collarbone. Love a glowy chest. That is really pretty. Okay. Now I want to try the bronzing drops. Maybe I'm going to put those on the face. It's from the last collection. I love that they're coming out with options that's like matte and then glowy, so you can pick if you're, you know, oily or dry. Okay, like giving me a bit of a tan. I never put this stuff on my nose, by the way, because I do not want a shiny nose. Wow. Do I look insane right now? A little bit, but it's definitely reminds me a lot of the Lumi Glotions. That really made me quite tan. I mean, they are bronzing drops, so these will be really nice for summer. Better than the Dollar Tree brand bronzing drops, the Be Pure ones. More, but I just found this in my drawer and I was like, maybe I'll use this today. It's the Be Pure Hydrating Tinted Moisturizer. I feel like this will look nice with the bronzer because it's a little bit lighter of a shade. This is in medium. I don't know where they get these color names from, because I would not call this by any stretch medium, but you know. You guys know I don't love this concealer, but we're just going to use it, the Ioni Liquid Camouflage Concealer. For contour, I'm gonna use the tan stick from LA Colors. This actually is a really pretty contour. If you want something just to kind of sculpt the face, it's so, I cannot rave about these enough, the LA Colors. I use them all the time. They're so good. I'm telling you guys, this pen for the brows, what do they do? This? So good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Blush. There are 2 blush options in this collection. So we have a Lip and Cheek Balm, which is definitely giving Merit Beauty vibes. And then we have the Cheek Tint, which is a cream mousse blush. I got the shade Hazel, what is it called? Hazelnut? Gelato? That's cute. And then this one's called Corallo. I cannot get over the packaging. Like, look how pretty that is. Wand. Okay, let's see. Looks like there's nothing. Oh. Should I just use my finger? Oh my gosh, that's like blending to nothing. Okay. What is with this product? Oh, no. That's not good. Maybe this is the one she didn't like. Nothing happened. Okay, let's try this. The Balm Nude Peach. Swipe and go. Adorable. Should I just go on with my finger? Yeah, we're just doing that. This is better, yes. The other ones, don't buy those. Oh my goodness gracious. Holy pigment. Whoa. Okay, this needs to be blended. Wow, that's really, really pretty. That's definitely summer vibes right there. Ooh, I love that. It's like sunburnt cheek-esque. I'm using the LA Colors Duo Lip Liner, and I'm using the shade that's on the line side, and just, you guys know, overlining my lips. The LA Colors Cuddle, which is like a really nice nude pink. They need to make all these lip colors permanent, please. LA Colors, Teddy, Oh Teddy, Pinky Swear. This one, they need to be in every Dollar Tree at all times. Okay, oh yeah, I didn't tell you. Lip gloss is Le Mercerie Moisture Lip Shine, and this is the nude pink. They don't have names. Le Mercerie stuff is really underrated. And the last item in the collection that I have is this mattifying makeup setting mist. Highlighter too. I'm going to use the LA Colors Liquid Illuminator and just use my finger to blend it out. They're coming out with so many setting sprays, it's honestly hard to keep up with. A Lock and Makeup, lightweight. It has it's mattifying. It has vitamin E, grape seed oil to keep skin hydrated, and the scent is supposed to be green grape. Definitely smells like green grape. Let's take the hair down. I crimped my hair today, and I made it like, I don't know if you'll be really able to tell, but I put a lot of product in it to make it look like wet. You guys see it? I tried. I put mousse, a shine spray. I did another spray that like is a shine mist because I wanted it to have that like, I don't know, tame wet look. Like not so like poofy. Here's the completed makeup look using the new Ioni La Dolce Vita collection. I honestly really love this look. I think it's so pretty. I'm trying to show you guys like the color shift of the eyeshadow because in person it really is beautiful. I hope it picks up on camera. It's very subtle, but I feel like it looks nice, like just having that touch of it on the lid. When you turn your face, you see it. They're sheer, so you have to layer them. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and review and makeup look, and I hope you guys can try it out yourself. And I just love it. I think it's so nice and I would totally like wear this out. I just think it is super beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.